business.techmw.
I just bought a brand new MacBook and it is absolutely glorious. This is my 15-inch M4 MacBook Air. Now, instead of making, a normal overview video on an M4 MacBook Air like, other people might do, I'm going to do the TechMW thing and try and install Windows Vista on it. Now, you may be wondering, how is that even possible? Well, there are ways, trust me. I'm gonna try it. It might get hot, it might explode, but this is TechMW and we will try everything we can to get Vista running on computer hardware. That's what I say, and that's what we're going to do. Right, now, first of all, we want to get some power plugged into this because otherwise it could die, even though the battery's really good. I don't know why I went slightly South African then. It could die, but we're going with it. You may notice I bought this in the sky blue colour. It is absolutely beautiful. Sky blue is easily my favourite colour, kind of followed by starlight, but I didn't want a laptop with a colour named after a character from The Boys, so I just got that. Unless it was the Soldier Boy colour, in which case I would have bought it in a second. I went for the 24 gig one. It was a bit more money, but yeah. Now, I know I said this was brand new. Obviously, this isn't brand new. This is from last year, but it's very new compared to most of the things I've done on this channel, so it's brand new. How am I going to go about installing Windows Vista on an Apple Silicon Mac? Because obviously Vista is x86, Apple Silicon is not. Well, virtual stuff, yes, virtual magic, because it works surprisingly well. Now, my first port of call is to use something familiar to me, which is VirtualBox. I don't know if it's going to work. Well, that doesn't say VirtualBox. Filming while typing it, it's just a lot of pressure, I'm sweating, it's just it's nerve-wracking. This website's changed a bit. Powerful open source virtualization. Is TechMW personal use or is it an enterprise now? We're a company, yeah. We're not really just for tax people. Don't come for me, tax people. I finally got new internet as well, so we've got like 4 times the speed that we had, which is incredible. You may notice that I have a Windows Vista x64 ISO pre-prepared. It's a completely legit. Don't question it, it's fine. It's okay, so let's go through our VirtualBox. Yes. Wait, did I just drag a flipping PKG into my applications file to go through our... What am I doing? I didn't even think to read the instructions. Okay, Oracle... I can't install for me. Okay, everyone has to use it then. Not like this is a shared family computer. This is mine. Yeah, but oh, hello, old like iOS sound from about 2006. I know iOS didn't come out till 2007, but just shut it. Oh, hello. Okay. What? The Python 3 command line? Sure. I don't know why it's installing Python now, but sorry. How big is this software? Let's just not do that. Okay. I have no idea where Python came from. VirtualBox. There we go. VM name. Alright, Vista for the win, boy. VM folder, who cares? Microsoft Windows. There's no other option. Wait. Hello? VirtualBox can't install on an OS from the selected ISO. OS cannot be determined. You know what, let's just do it anyway. It'll probably work, right? This is just standard computer problems. It'll be fine, it'll work. I'm confident. Let's start it. It will know. It will know. Yes, it would like to receive. No, you can't. Failed to load boot 00. Hey? What is this language? Any key to enter the boot. Whoa, that's bright. Standard English. What does that mean? Standard English. What else is there? Weird English. Boot manager. CD-ROM, maybe? So VirtualBox can't deal with it because it's ARM and Vista isn't ARM? You know what, let's just do it anyway. It'll probably work, right? Let me look into this and I'll get back to you. Alright, apparently there is another application that I could use, which is called Utum. As you can see, Utum. Virtual machines for Mac. Securely run. Oh, not just run. Securely run. That's what we want. Here we go. utm.dmg. Yeah, look how much faster my internet is now. We've got Utum, as I'm going to call it. Yeah, that's its permanent name now. Let's open Utum and see what happens. Okay, it was downloaded from the internet. Where else would it be downloaded from? The sewer. Browse UTM gallery. Oh, is there a ooh, Arch, look at this. That is my new wallpaper. Are these just actual photos or is... Oh, no. It's... Oh, I see. This is... I genuinely thought these were wallpapers. Emulate. Slower but can run other CPU architectures. Yes. We could run classic macOS on this. Oh, that's a good idea for a future video. 4 gigs of RAM? Yeah, that'll be more than enough for Vista, right? i440FX, but you what? 1996 to i386. What does that even mean? 2009. That sounds a bit better, although I'm pretty sure that might not work with Vista though, because Vista came out before that. It's a better option than 1996 or 2014, so let's go for that. Install Windows 10 or higher. No. Vista 64 gigs, that should be enough. Oh, hello. I think we're actually ready. Windows Standard PC Q35. What are all these terms? It's like flipping Harry Potter spells. ICH9 2009 alias of PC Q3510. Alright, let's hit the play button like it's a video. See if this actually... Windows is loading files. Alright. Can we go full screen? We can go full screen. My special Magic Mouse 2 works with the charging port on the bottom. This is a really good start. Windows Vista. English, Anglais. United Kingdom. Where is United? Because I'm in the United Kingdom. Type your product key for activation. This might be a problem. No, we can just go past it. Oh, well, that was easy. Okay, I have selected the right one. Yes. Custom, please show up as a drive. 64 gigs. Drive options, do we need to erase? No. Yes! Please work. Please work. How long is this going to take though? I'd like to show off something else. Yeah, I found a Tangerine iMac G3. So at some point, I'll be doing a video on that. I don't know what yet. Maybe Linux. Maybe I'll try and install Vista on it. No, ignore the Dalek. I've got the iMac Pro as well. It's seen better days. I will explain what happened to that in a future video. But it wasn't my fault, I promise. Well, something's happening. I felt like I was kind of dozing off there for a minute there. Please wait while Windows sets up your computer. Right, we've evolved. We've evolved. What does this mean? Oh, hello. Well, that just went from loading wheel to restarted very fast. Anything's possible here. We could turn this on and it could be running Windows 11. Okay. This is a win. Absolutely. TechNW. Whoops. Okay, that's fine. Password 1234. We want to go, fairly secure with this. We've got TechNW PC. Let's go for proper Vista wallpaper. Yes. Greenwich Mean Time. Yes. Because I'm near Londinium, as the Romans used to call it. What the? You're so welcome. You're so welcome. It almost sounded sarcastic, didn't it? Oh, hello. Please wait while Windows checks your... Oh, it's gone now. Safer and easier. Dare I say, this is getting quite toasty. A more secure environment, ladies and gentlemen. More secure than what? macOS 8.6? Oh, hello. Yes. Yes. We got TechNW and we're in on an M4 MacBook Air. This is ludicrous. We've got Windows Vista Home Premium, Intel Core processor, Skylake. Can we up the resolution of this? There you go. See, now this looks like we're just running Vista natively on an Apple Silicon Mac. This is insane. And I tell you what, it's not even slow. Look at this. It's just bam. Okay, maybe not that fast, but it's things are opening fast. They're just not loading fast, if that makes sense. But I think it's the GPU thing letting it down. There is no option for Aero. That's really disappointing. Your computer is connected to network. Connected to network. Not to a network? Can we go on the secure internet? The highly secure internet. Bing is no longer supported. Bing is no longer supported. Vista's done for. If Bing doesn't work on it, what else is going to work on it? Ask.com? No. Google.com? Your browser isn't www.frogfine.com. Bingo! Bingo, bingo, bingo. Alright, can we look up facts about TechMW on here? TechMW, ribbit. Done? It says done. What do we, okay, no. Brilliant, okay. Alright then, can we play some games? Games Explorer, here we go. Chess Titans, Free Cell, Hearts, Ink Ball. What the heck is Ink Ball? What the heck is Purple Place? Let's No. No. I just wanted to play some Purple Place, and this couldn't even let me do it. Hardware acceleration is either disabled or not supported. Why? Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes and tell me you wouldn't want to play that game. Can we at least play Ink Ball? What? It just loaded anyway.
Hardware acceleration is either disabled or not supported.
Beginner, intermediate, advanced, hardest recipes, did that say? What on earth is this? Okay, let's just quit out of that, that's fine. Can we play pinball? Where is pinball? Pinball was included in Vista, right? Pinball's not installed, but the whole reason I wanted to get Vista was to play pinball. This is outrageous. Where's the bin? The bin's... Oh yeah, I moved the bin. Okay, to be fair, this MacBook's too expensive. I can't even do a joke and chuck it in the bin because I might break it. So let's just... You know what? Let's just get the other victim instead. Sounds fatty MacBook, hey?